What was Jesus' first recorded miracles? A. Is it walking on the water? Is it turning water into wine? Is it healing the sick? Is it calming the storm? The answer was turning water into wine. Which book of the Bible contains the account of the Tower of Babel? A. Is it Genesis? Is it Exodus? Is it Leviticus? Is it Numbers? That was Genesis. Which of Jesus' disciples used to be a tax collector? A. Is it Andrew? B. Is it Matthew? C. Is it John? D. Is it Peter? The answer was B. Matthew. How long were the Hebrews living in Egypt? A. Is it 150 years? B. Is it 365 years? C. Is it 270 years? D. Is it 430 years? The answer is D. 430 years. Who cut off Samson's hair? A. Is it Delilah? B. Is it Delilah's father? C. An unnamed man? D. The Philistine. The answer is C. An unnamed man. In which book of the Bible do we read about a character called Mordecai? Is it Ruth? Is it Esther? Is it Amos? Is it Micah? The answer is B. Esther. What did Jacob call the place where he had his dream about a stairway to heaven? A. Is it Bethel? B. Is it Dan? C. Is it Bochim? D. Is it Edom? The answer is A. Bethel. Who first announced Jesus' name? A. An angel. B. The wise men. C. Mary. D. Joseph. The answer is A. An angel.